On January 12, 2010, at 4:53 p.m. local time, the Earth shook. The earthquake's epicenter was near Leogane, just 15 miles from Port-au-Prince, Haiti's capital. The quake registered a devastating 7.0 on the Richter scale. Buildings crumbled, streets buckled, and a cloud of dust enveloped the city. The presidential palace, a symbol of national pride, lay in ruins. The earthquake's impact was immediate and catastrophic. The force of the tremor was felt across the region, reaching as far as the Dominican Republic. Within minutes, the communication lines went down, plunging the country into darkness and isolation. The world watched in horror as images of the devastation emerged, revealing the true extent of the disaster. The earthquake's aftermath was a scene of unimaginable destruction. Entire neighborhoods were reduced to rubble. Hospitals, schools, and government buildings all lay in ruins. The earthquake had claimed the lives of an estimated 220,000 people. Hundreds of thousands more were injured. Over 1 million people were left homeless. The lack of proper sanitation and medical care in the aftermath of the earthquake led to the rapid spread of diseases. Cholera, a waterborne illness, became a significant threat, further compounding the suffering of the Haitian people. The sheer scale of the destruction overwhelmed the country's already fragile infrastructure. In the wake of the tragedy, the world responded with an outpouring of support. International aid organizations, governments, and individuals mobilized to provide assistance. Rescue teams from around the globe arrived in Haiti to search for survivors trapped beneath the rubble. Field hospitals were set up to treat the injured. The United States, in a massive aid effort, deployed thousands of troops and pledged over $1 billion in aid. Countries from all corners of the globe sent medical supplies, food, water, and other essential items. Celebrities used their platforms to raise awareness and funds. Rebuilding Haiti proved to be a long and arduous process. The earthquake had crippled the country's already weak infrastructure, making it difficult to deliver aid and rebuild homes. The lack of a functioning government and widespread corruption hampered reconstruction efforts. The outpouring of aid, while crucial, created its own set of challenges. The influx of aid organizations, each with their own agendas and ways of operating, led to a lack of coordination. The focus on immediate relief often overshadowed the need for long-term sustainable development. Despite the challenges, the Haitian people displayed remarkable resilience, working tirelessly to rebuild their lives and their nation.